here in Orlando. So we are heading out to grab some lunch, and then we will see what we are going to do today for fun. We couldn't get ticket for the Universal Studio because this is spontaneous trip. I had literally one day to pack, and here we are in Orlando, so we don't have a ticket and we couldn't book it online. So we have to see what we can get out of this trip. Last night it was fun, so we'll see you in a bit. First meal of the day, this is the Filipino restaurant.
Baby, why can't you sleep at night? Tell me lies, I just wanna know the truth. Do or die, is it me or is it you? Is it you? You can't say I haven't tried to cross this great divide. Your feelings come and go, but I still love you so. There is nothing I won't do to make this dream come true. Darling, you can walk away, but I'll keep coming back. to sleep.